Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to reconnect Hue Bridge to new Wi-Fi, guide for resetting network and pairing with the app. Step 1. Connect the Hue Bridge to your router using the Ethernet cable. Step 2. Plug the Hue Bridge into power and wait for all three lights on the bridge to turn solid. Step 3. Make sure your phone is connected to the new Wi-Fi network. Step 4. Open the Hue app on your phone. Step 5. Tap on Settings. Step 6. Select My Hue System or Hue Bridges. Step 7. Tap Add Bridge if the app does not find your bridge automatically. Step 8. When the bridge appears, press the large round button on top of the Hue bridge. Step 9. Wait for the app to pair with the bridge. Step 10. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.